Thanks for calling Royal Pizza Dining. This is Ben. How can I help you today?
I want to order a large cheese pizza.
Great choice. Would you like your large cheese pizza for pickup or delivery?
It is for delivery.
Awesome. Can I get your full name, phone number, and delivery address, please?
My full name is John Smith. My phone number is 1123456 and my delivery address is New Building 123 Park Street.
John, your order for a large cheese pizza has been confirmed. It'll arrive at New Building 123 Park Street.
In this video, I am going to build this AI voice agent using Vapi and n8n. It will be able to handle customer inquiries, record orders directly in Google Sheets and send you order notifications on WhatsApp. So now let's go right ahead and start building it. To build this AI voice agent, first of all, sign in to vapi.ai. After signing in, you will come to the overview of Vapi. From here, click on Assistants. We are gonna create assistant. You can use these templates, but I'm gonna choose blank template. Now we are gonna click on create assistant. I'm going to call it Ben. Now we have to choose a provider. I'm gonna choose OpenAI, and for the model I'm gonna choose GPT 4.1. Now we have to add a first message. On the first message I'm gonna say thanks for calling Royal Pizza Dine. This is Ben. How can I help you today? Now we have to add a system prompt here. I'm gonna use this prompt as my system prompt. You will find it in my free community. First of all, we have to give it a role. You are Ben, a friendly and professional receptionist at Royal Pizza Dine. You greet customers warmly, answer their questions about the menu, and assist them with placing orders. Now we have to specify its tasks. Your main task is to assist customers to place orders. Then on the step 1, I have said if the customer wants to place an order, first of all ask for food items customer like to order. Record any special instructions if customer wanted so. If they want to know what food items we have, you have to check the menu. And then on the order types, I have said that after getting the food item they want to order, ask if it is for pickup or delivery. And then I have specified how to process pickup orders and how to process delivery orders. And after that I have specified how to run the book order tool. And after that I have added some examples of real conversations. And then I have added the menu of the restaurant. And at last I have added some notes. If you want to use any document as its knowledge base, you can add it from here. I'm gonna keep the temperature on 0.4. Now on the voice configuration, I'm gonna choose 11 Labs as the provider, and then on the voice I'm gonna choose Will. Now I'm gonna hit on publish button right here. Now we are gonna click on tools right here. From here we are gonna create a new tool. Click on create tool. Now click on custom tool. I'm going to call it book order. On the description, I'm gonna say this tool will capture data from the caller, including name, phone number, pickup or delivery, customer address, and details of order food items. And then we are gonna scroll down here and click on add property. Our first property will be name. Its description is the name of the customer. Now click on apply. Now we are gonna add another property. It's for phone number. And its description is the phone number of the customer. Now click on apply. Now click again on add property. It will be for ordered items. And its description is the ordered items of the customer. Now click on apply. Now click on add property. It is for total price of the orders. I'm going to call it total. And its description is total price of ordered items. Now click on apply. Now we are gonna add another property. I'm gonna call it order type. On its description we are gonna say this will indicate if the customer requesting a pickup or delivery. And now we are gonna click on apply. Now we are gonna add another property. It is for delivery address. On the description we are gonna say this is for delivery address. Now click on apply. Now click on save. Now sign in to n8n.io. After signing in, click on create workflow. Now click on plus, search for webhook. HTTP method will be post. Now copy the test URL, go back to Vapi and paste the test URL right into here. Now we are gonna save this. Now we are gonna click on assistants right here. Now click on tools. From here select our new tool, book order. Now click on publish. Now we are gonna send some data into our n8n workflow. Now we are gonna talk to the assistant.
Thanks for calling Royal Pizza Dine. This is Ben. How can I help you today?
I want to order a large cheese pizza.
Great choice. Would you like your large cheese pizza for pickup or delivery?
It is for delivery.
Perfect. Can I get your full name, phone number, and delivery address, please?
My full name is Jack Spencer. My phone number is 1234567 and my delivery address is 123 Building, New Street, Dhaka.
Thanks, Jack. Just to confirm, you've ordered a large cheese pizza for delivery to 123 Building New Street, Dhaka.
Now you can see I have got some data from our Vapi AI agent. Now I'm gonna pin this data and save it. Now I'm gonna click on plus. Now we are gonna select AI. From here click on AI agent. Source for the prompt will be defined below. Now we are gonna add a chat model right here. I'm gonna use OpenAI chat model. Now on the prompt I'm gonna say you are a helpful assistant, and then I'm gonna specify its task. Your first task is to send customer data into WhatsApp note. Your second task is to send customer data into Google Sheets note. Now we are gonna click out of it. Now we are gonna add Google Sheets note. Now click on plus on the tool. Search for Google Sheets. I'm going to call it Google Sheets. Its operation will be append row. Now we are gonna sign into Google Sheet and make a new spreadsheet. On the Google Sheet I'm gonna click on blank spreadsheet. I'm going to call it restaurant spreadsheet. At first I'm gonna add the name. Then on the second column I'm gonna add the phone number of the customer. Now I'm gonna add ordered items. It is for total price. Now I'm gonna add order type. And at last I'm gonna add the delivery address. Now we are gonna go back to n8n. Now click on Google Sheets. Now select the new spreadsheet from here, and the sheet will be sheet 1. Now we are gonna drag the name from here and put it right into here. Now we are gonna drag the phone number. Now ordered items. Now we are gonna add the total price. Now we are gonna add order type, and at last we are gonna drag the delivery address and put it right into here. Now we are gonna click out of here. Now we are gonna click on plus of the tool. Now we are gonna search for WhatsApp. Now click on WhatsApp Business Cloud tool. I'm gonna call it WhatsApp. I have already connected its credential. If you don't know how to connect WhatsApp with n8n, you can watch the video that I have linked right up here. Now on the operation I'm gonna click on send, and on the recipient's phone number I'm gonna add my own phone number. Now on the text body I'm gonna say new order for. Now I'm gonna drag the name from here and put it right into here. Now I'm gonna add the phone number. Now I'm gonna drag the number from here and put it right into here. Now I'm gonna add ordered item. Now I'm gonna drag it and put it right here. Now I'm gonna add the total price. Now drag the price from here and put it right into here. Now I'm gonna add the order type. Now drag the order type and put it right into here. Then I'm gonna add the delivery address. Now we are gonna click out of it. Now we are gonna run the agent to see if it works. Now you can see I have got a notification about the order on WhatsApp, and also my spreadsheet is populated by the AI agent. Now we are gonna go back to n8n. Now click into the webhook. Select the respond to webhook node. Now unpin this data. Now click on plus. Search for respond to webhook node. Now click on it. Now select respond with JSON. Now I'm gonna remove this response body and paste in the JSON I have already pre-built. Now we are gonna click out of it. Now click on save. Now click into the webhook. Copy the production URL. Now click out of here and active the workflow from here. Now go back to Vapi. Now click on tools. Now scroll down here, and on the server URL we are gonna paste in the production URL. Now save it. Now click on assistants. Now we are gonna talk to the assistant.
Thanks for calling Royal Pizza Dining. This is Ben. How can I help you today?
I want to order a large cheese pizza.
Great choice. Would you like your large cheese pizza for pickup or delivery?
It is for delivery.
Awesome. Can I get your full name, phone number, and delivery address, please?
My full name is John Smith. My phone number is 1123456, and my delivery address is New Building 123 Park Street.
John, your order for a large cheese pizza has been confirmed. It'll arrive at New Building 123 Park Street in about 30 to 45 minutes. Would you like to know anything else?
No, thanks. Now you can see the order is populated on our spreadsheet, and we also got a notification on our WhatsApp about the order. I hope this gave you a clear picture of how you can build your own AI voice agent that works seamlessly with your business data. If you liked the video, then please drop me a like. It definitely helps me out a lot. I will see you guys in the next video. Thanks.